And as you know, Côte-des-Neiges is a very vibrant, immigrant, rich neighborhood. At one of the parks that we were at, there was a setup of a bicycle repair shop. And they were providing free bicycle repair for all the members of that neighborhood. And I inquired, I'm like, oh, how much does this cost? And these professional bike repair workers were there purely on their own accord. They were volunteers who volunteered their own time to give this really meaningful service back to the community. It was an initiative by the city to provide this resource to oftentimes parents and folks that don't have the means or the money to go bring in their children's or their own bikes to get fixed. And so they wanted to encourage activity and exercise. And so they felt that setting up these shops directly in the community was very important. And what I took away from that is, that's what we need to do too, as researchers and clinicians, is if we are to build relationships and if we are to collaborate meaningfully with these community partners, then we also need to embed ourselves within their neighborhoods and their cultural setting. And so that's why, we very easily could get them to all come here, but there's the timing issue. A lot of these folks and parents have full-time jobs, if not 2 jobs, and the cost of parking is also tremendous. And to navigate down here in an area that's foreign to them is very difficult. And so if we can take out that disparity, we're hopefully able to get more buy-in with our research and our initiative.